Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to autocorrect on Grammarly. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to Grammarly app. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it from there. Or if you are using iOS device, go to App Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Grammarly app. So I'm going to this. So now to change autocorrect on, so you need to go to the keyboard, which is in the bottom side. You can see the keyboard icon here. Just click on this. So now to autocorrect, just scroll down a bit. And you can see here autocorrection. Just turn on this button and you can also enable caps lock, auto capitalization, completion bar, and swipe typing and delete swipe by word. So here is also an option which is undo autocorrection. You can turn on this or turn off this according to your will. Also, here are many options that you can turn on the button. So in this way, you can just turn on autocorrection in your Grammarly app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.